Well, when the president does it, that means that it is not illegal.
On October 17, 2006, President Bush signed into law the Military Commissions Act of 2006. By doing so, our representatives in Washington have committed the most shocking and openly malevolent act of giving the President of the United States true dictatorial ruling powers, and by stripping Americans of their constitutionally guaranteed right of habeas corpus. All that is necessary for someone to go to prison without any recourse to justice whatsoever is for the President of the United States to declare that person an enemy combatant. The President can label that person as either a legal enemy combatant or an illegal enemy combatant, assigning titles to Americans that presuppose their guilt and by default deny those people their basic right to habeas corpus. Adopted in 1787, the U.S. Constitution specifically states that the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended unless when in cases of rebellion or invasion the public safety may require it. So what is habeas corpus? Habeas corpus is actually Latin for "you have the body." Also known as the Great Writ, habeas corpus is a petition filed with the court by a person who objects to his own or another person's detention or imprisonment. But it's more than that. In family law, habeas corpus allows children who've been wrongly removed from a parent or a guardian to be returned to that parent or guardian. If you go to jail for any reason, habeas corpus is your get-out-of-jail-free card. It prevents jurors from being imprisoned for returning a verdict that the presiding judge may disagree with. And up until October 2006, it prevented the President of the United States from being able to secretly lock up anyone and throw away the key on his sole authority. Vested with the power to remove any citizen's right of habeas corpus, the President of the United States arguably has more power now than the King of England did at the time of our revolution in 1776.
I disagree with your assertion of unchecked power.
If this were a dictatorship, it'd be a heck of a lot easier. Just so long as I'm the dictator.
Where were you? What did you do when this thing was signed into law? There were people that protested the Japanese concentration camps. There were people that protested these other acts. But we are strangely silent in this national yawn as our rights evaporate.